Alright, here's a quick tutorial video on how to find reports in Illuminate DnA. So the first step is to either on the left hand side click on the word reports and then click view reports, or if you have your tile bar here you can click on view reports. Yours may not be purple, but there'll be a tile that says view reports. That's going to bring you to the reports viewing screen. There's a search box up here. If you know the report was built for you, you can click on custom reports and it'll only show you reports that are custom made. If you know the report was a pre-built report, meaning it's like an M-step or an NWEA report, you can click on pre-built and it'll show you a little picture. It also has, if you click on preview here, it'll give you a quick description of what the report tells you, and it has a learn more about this report button that you can click before you run the report to learn more about it. Once you find the report you're looking for, you'll just click on it, the words for the report. Now at this point you may have different options for filtering students. If it's a pre-built report, you'll have some options on the bottom here for selecting different assessments. If it's just a custom built report that was custom built for you, you'll only have options to filter the students. So depending on the report you pick, you'll have different options. But I'll go through some of those options for you. You can change the enrollment roster date to see students that you were rostered to you last year or any other year that we have had Illuminate, so from 2016 forward. If you've set up student groups in your settings, you can use those student groups here. And then courses allows you to choose a course that you teach. If you're a teacher, you can choose like your AM course for your attendance course to get a specific set of students. Then you come down here and this is where you're picking your test. You can choose the year of the test, the subject, and then it'll give you a list of the possible grades that you can choose from, or you can do all grades. And then you can do a comprehensive, or you can have it grouped. So this is how it's grouping the student data, aggregating the student data by either the course, the section, the teacher, or the grade level, and you can have multiple years worth of data displayed. If you want to get more specific, there are additional filters here that you can use to filter down by male, female, or by race, or by socioeconomic status. And then you can click either view in browser to see what it looks like, download to a PDF, which will download then you can click down here. You can either download it to a PDF file, you can view it in the browser, or you can download it to Excel. I like to start by viewing it in the browser so then I can see if the data is displaying, if I put my filters in correctly, and then download it to a PDF so I can save it on my computer. Alright, hopefully that helps. Thank you.